Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. Now, because 2018 is coming to a close, I decided to do a highlights of the year video that I believe a lot of you guys out there would enjoy. Because I do understand that quite a lot of my subscribers come from the rockabilly subculture just like myself. So I decided to do a montage of videos of the different performances I saw this year because I visited quite some rockabilly/50s related events. Now the first one is a rockabilly festival that took place in Dordrecht, a small Dutch city not very far from Rotterdam. It is called Rockabilly Square. There were a total of 5 bands who performed that day, but because my battery life on my phone wasn't the best that day, I only managed to capture one of them on video. 4 of the bands were Dutch, and the last one, which was the one I captured in video, was from France, and you guessed it, the Squinty Boys. The second one was the opening night of a 50s rockabilly themed bar in my city that just opened very recently, and a Dutch rockabilly band managed to perform during its opening. And the third one was an Everly Brothers tribute concert. So right now, here's the compilation of videos, and enjoy everybody.
Oh, shine on, the one that's gone and left me blue. Well, it was on one night while I was sleeping, and I held you in my arms. When I woke up, I was mistaken. My sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me happy when skies are gray. You never know.
Anyhow, those were the 50s related events near my area that I took part in this year. And if you enjoyed them, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to never miss a single upload of mine, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay greasy and have a happy new year, everybody.
There's a trend